Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dalesa. If you are new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a wash and go using the LCO method, which means leave-in, cream, and oil. I'm going to be using the African Pride Moisture Miracle Coconut Milk and Honey Hydrate and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. Say that 4 times in a row and see. So that's what I'm going to use as my leave-in. For cream, I'm going to use the same brand, the African Pride Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Moisturize and Define Curling Cream. I'm gonna go ahead and get some water, spray it in my hair, and then we'll go from there. First, I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections. That way I can work one section at a time. Then I'm going to take just this water bottle, spray my hair a little bit so that it's manageable because it did dry a little bit. And then I'm going to add the Coconut Milk and Honey Hydrate and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. It says it refreshes and softens natural coils and curls. And in here it has coconut milk, which replenishes moisture, naturally softens and detangles hair. And then honey, which naturally retains moisture and adds shine to the hair. This product has no parabens, no mineral oil, no sulfates, and no petroleum. So that's really good for your hair. And this product was only $5.99 from my local beauty supply store. This leave-in had amazing slip, so detangling was super easy. Now this shea butter and flaxseed oil curling cream was super thick. It shapes, hydrates, and adds shine to natural coils and curls. It says you can use it for a twist out, but today, of course, I'm doing a wash and go. But it has shea butter in it, which deeply moisturizes, helps strengthen and protect the hair, and then flaxseed oil, which provides natural hold and restores shine. Ooh, look at that definition. Clearly, I was impressed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and continue applying the leave-in and the cream. And then when I'm done with each section, I'm going to seal in all that moisture with my almond oil. All right, so that is it for the left side of my hair. I'm going to go ahead and do the right side of my hair, and then I'm gonna sit up under my hooded dryer for an hour. All right, so these are my final results. My hair is so healthy. It feels so much stronger than it did yesterday. I mean, it is amazing, and it's so windy here, so it's a little bit frizzy because of the wind. Other than that, the two products that I used today definitely made a difference. I will say that these two products are absolutely amazing. I'm glad that I treated my hair with the protein treatment in the previous video, but these two products, like I said, this one smells amazing. This one doesn't really smell that good. It's not a bad smell, but it's okay. It's something I can deal with. It's not that bad. It's not like overpowering or anything like that. But both products are very, very moisturizing. I was a bit skeptical because this is a spray and my hair is so thick, but it still worked. And then the styling cream, that's the only thing I used in my hair. And then I obviously used the almond oil to seal everything in. And my hair, like I said, it just feels so moisturized. I like that I can move my hair. It's not like, you know, stiff or anything like it was. And I love how big it is. Oh my goodness, I love the volume that I have. This is just, yes honey, yes honey, yes, this is it right here. Ooh, yes. So I am very impressed with these two products. If you haven't used them, I would definitely suggest you use them. Thank you again so much for watching. And if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you do not miss an upload, because I will be uploading more videos. So stay safe and have a blessed day.